What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Be Your Best with Steph. That's me. I'm so excited for today. We're going to have a really quick session on habits and the importance of habits. So, habits, as you know, are things that we're used to doing, right? That behavior that we're used to doing. But when it comes to setting new goals, what I like to do is I like to have my clients actually focus on not necessarily changing the habits, but just thinking about it as you're replacing a habit for a better one, right? So you're using all this energy towards that bad habit and you're putting it into a newer habit. So take for example, if you're not a morning person, right? So what's the habit there? Your habit is that you're used to waking up late. So now what's the habit that we're going to replace that with? We're going to replace the habit with waking up earlier, right? So when we go about that, it doesn't mean try to wake up earlier by 3 hours on the first try. Okay, that's going to be very difficult, but it's a gradual change. So, 30 minutes each and every single day, getting up earlier and up earlier, what happens is we'll reach that 3 hour point in no times, right? So super, super simple. You want to take that bad habit, find out something that is the positive of it, and then break down the goal from there. So let's see. Let's just say you want to lose weight, right? So let's say 10 pounds. 10 pounds. But you're the type of person that likes to eat sweets. You eat, let's just say 10 donuts a day. Okay? So obviously, if you cut out 10 donuts, it's going to be a little bit harder. But if you gradually cut out 2 a day, by the end of the week, guess what? You're going to be not eating donuts and you're going to be well on your way to reaching that goal of 10 pounds. So I always like to cut things down, make it simple, not so that it's not too overwhelming for someone who is just starting to learn better habits. But when you do that, you're gonna reach your goals even faster because you don't feel overwhelmed or feeling like you're missing out on anything or feeling like you want to go back to the old ones because you're gonna have that positive reinforcement of, hey, this feels incredible. And as you start doing consistently, you're gonna feel even more incredible. So hopefully that was helpful for you and that you can apply that to any of your 2018 goals. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you later.